Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 12 Plus and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So the soft reset or forced restart operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly and it does not respond to your touches, so you can try to force restart it. All you have to do is to press the power button, which is located on the right side of your device, and the volume up button together, and wait until you'll see the black screen and the developer's logo, and the device should be restarted. So let me try to do it. Let me press both of those buttons simultaneously and keep those buttons pressed. Do not release the hold. It will take approximately 10 seconds, more or less. So keep pressing. As you can see, we've got the black screen, which is good. Keep pressing. Okay, I felt the vibration, I can see the developer's logo, so I can release the finger, and it basically means that our device will be restarted in a second, and hopefully it will work perfectly fine again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.